Hello, this is John from CNCKing.com, and today we'll look at noise, Mayan planter. This 3D planter took a little bit more than 11 hours to print with my 3D Systems Cube. What I really like about it are the smooth lines that it produced. I had a few difficulties with the support material, as you saw in another video. Let's see how it was made. Try to avoid using support material as much as you can for a 3D extrusion printer. It's just another headache you have to go through, even with a double head printer. As you saw from the 3D printing time lapse, this red comes out really nice, so I'll be making a lot more models with it in different solid colors. If you want to get this model right now, you can buy it at CNCKing.com, and I'll see you in the next video.
Come on, baby girl, let's get it going on. I'ma hit the highway and do it my way. It ain't no game, so I don't play games. I keep it up straight, right up in your face. So make your mind up, cause life is too short. I got the best on, boy, put your belt on. Stop acting all cool, Kanye West, while you be riding through the wire and the camera getting by. You the one that know, I don't want that, no. These goes are the things and chicks so slow. Hit the backseat when you're doing the licking, kissing, squeezing. Do the damn thing, man.